Hi everyone, today we're going to make 3 summer salads. Now I'm not talking about lettuce leaf salads, but the kind of salads that you would make for a backyard barbecue or a picnic, and they also make great snacks. So we're going to make a potato salad, a pasta salad, and a tomato salad. Now this tomato salad that I'm going to make is one of my personal favorites. My dad taught me how to make it, his dad taught him how to make it, and I believe that it has its origins in the Puglia region of Italy because that's where my grandparents were from. So we're passing down the tradition now to you. So come on, let's go make them. For the pasta salad, I'm going to use this thick spaghetti. Now normally I would make pasta salad with rotini or shells or some kind of curly shape like fusilli. But one time when I was a young kid, my friend's mom used to make the same pasta salad as well, and she made it with spaghetti and I thought it was really fun. So I thought I'd do that today. I have some thick spaghetti. Now I'm going to rinse the pasta off to cool it down. And now I have 4 beautiful Jersey tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 of them for the tomato salad and 2 of them for the pasta salad, so I'm going to chop these up fine now and then separate them into 2 different portions. For the pasta salad, I'm using some store-bought ingredients because they actually work better than when I try to make it handmade. So I bought a vinaigrette that's sort of like a tabletop Caesar. It has some cheese in it, but it's oily. It's important to not get a low-fat dressing. You want to get a full-fat dressing because it works best. And I also used by McCormick. This is something called Salad Supreme. It's kind of an orangey looking powder. It has a lot of yummy ingredients. You can just shake this on any kind of salad, but it's really perfect in the pasta salad. And this is a crucial ingredient, not sponsored by McCormick. This is just something that I use all the time. So let me show you how I build the pasta salad. Well, here are 2 of the tomatoes chopped up with their juices. And I'm going to add in the pasta. And now I'm going to shake on some of this Salad Supreme. I'm going to do this a couple of times. You really want to use a lot of this. And I'm going to put on probably most of this bottle of the dressing. So let's stir it up and see how we're doing, and we'll probably add some more of both ingredients. Now you want to cover this and put it in the fridge overnight, so remember, if you are making this for a barbecue or a picnic, you want to make it the night before. Now for the tomato salad, I have the 2 tomatoes chopped up here, and I kept their juices. The juice is a very important ingredient in this dish. I cracked on some black pepper. I have half of a large onion chopped up here. You can use 1 small onion if you want, and I have 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. So in they go. Now I also am adding a good bit of oregano. It's about a tablespoon and about a teaspoon of salt. And I may add more oregano after I mix this up. Now, I'm going to put a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. And a little bit of water. Now I'm going to mix this all up. What I wanted to show you is the lovely juice that you get. Because what we do with this salad is we eat it with bread. You want to let this sit for a little bit so all the juices come out of the tomato, and then you're going to dunk bread in, and it's going to be the most glorious thing you've ever tasted. So I hope you like it. For the potato salad, I peeled and washed these potatoes. I have a bunch of little potatoes, but then I chopped them up into the size that I actually want to encounter in the salad. And now we're going to boil these to get them soft. You could also boil them whole and then cut them up afterwards, but I just find it easier to do it this way. They don't take as long to boil. For the potato salad, the first thing you want to do while the potatoes are still warm is we're going to sprinkle on some white wine vinegar, just a little bit. And just let it soak in while we prepare the other ingredients. I salted the potatoes generously, and I put on some freshly cracked black pepper. And now I'm adding 2 celery ribs that I've chopped up fine, half of an onion, maybe less than half because that looks like enough, and I slice up 2 scallions. Now we're going to add some mayonnaise and some mustard, and then we're going to stir it all up. I'm starting with about a half a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm adding a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And before I stir this all together, I'm going to stir the mustard into the mayonnaise a little bit. It just makes it easier to spread throughout the entire salad. And now I'm just going to gently toss this all together. You may find that you need more mayonnaise as you do this because the potatoes will start to absorb it. Now you're really just gently folding this in instead of stirring it because you don't want to end up mashing up the potatoes. You want to keep them a little chunky. I think this is enough mayonnaise. You can use your own judgment. As you put this in the refrigerator, this will absorb some of the mayonnaise, so you might want to add some just before serving. But I think that's beautiful. Now I actually like this when it's still a little warm, but it's also really meant to be cooled down, and it's just so good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed those salads and I hope you try them for yourself. Let me know which one you like best, the potato, the pasta, or the tomato. Please share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, tell everyone you know about my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.